Hello everyone, today I am going to tell about functions of AngularJS directive lifecycle. Directives are markers on a document object model element which tell AngularJS HTML compiler to attach a specified behavior to that document object model element. AngularJS directive can be used as element name, attribute, class, comment. Lifecycle of directive begins and ends only under the process of bootstrapping, that is, before the page is rendered. Below are the four functions which executes during the life cycle of directive if those are there in directive. Let's see one by one. The first is compile. It allows the directive to manipulate document object model before it is compiled and linked. During this phase, it modifies the document object model and directives, that is, by adding, removing and changing. Compile is a function that transforms document object model template to the Angular application. Not all the directives transform the template, therefore it is often not used. Second is controller. Controller provides the communication. Sibling and child controller can request for information to their siblings and parents controller. Controller is a function of constructor of directive controller. Compile and link functions will return either the object with pre-link and post-link functions, or just return the function which will be post-link. Now third is pre-link. Within this function, manipulation with $scope is done so that the manipulated scope can be used in post-link function. Pre-link runs before directive child elements are processed and bound. The fourth is post-link. This is the method which performs most of the work of the directive. Post-link runs after directive child elements are processed and bound. So if all four functions are used, then structure will be something like below. See, this is the syntax. Dot directive in bracket, here using two parameters. The first is my directive and second is function. Return again controller colon function. Compile, then pre-function, post function and close here.